Yeah, hello. So I'm unboxing another one. Crystal. Let's do the small one. Oh, lucky, these are the ones that make a lot of mess. Okay. So they make it really hard to open this. I'm using like a really good machete to open this. Well, it's coming from China, so I have to protect it from damage, which is good. I think this is a 2 kilogram one. Oh, I think it's a carnielian. So this is my favourite stone. It's a carnielian. And these are worth so much money. Like, I got it for such a good deal. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, wow. Look at that. We have to go outside and have a look. Oh, wow. Hold on, let me get a little stand. The lights of it are best seen. The beauty of it is best seen outside. Okay. Look at that. Oh wow. So this is a carnelian. I can only see that part of it looks carnelian to me. The rest of it looks like a red jasper. I can only see a bit of carnelian in it. That part there. I wish it was all like that. It could be just a different type of carnelian. Like a red agate jasper carnelian. Still very pretty. Very pretty. And we'll take it in the sunlight as well. Right in the sun. Okay. Can see it a bit better. Very pretty. Like orange is my favourite. I don't know if you're seeing this. It's very hard to. So orange is my favourite colour, as you know. Okay, so that's what it weighs. 1,933 grams, almost 2 kilos. You can see the little orange bits there. And there's that little, yeah, it's pretty gem. Pretty gem. Alright, I will let you go. Actually, hold on, let's unbox the other one. Might as well just do it in the one video. Okay. So far we got that one. And if we put that one, we unboxed that one in the previous video. And that one. And now we've got one more left to do, which is this one. I like that thing sound it makes. Ding. Oh, Oh, this one is the one that it's going to make noise. It's got that white pattern to it. Oh, thank God. Oh, it's just that one. Oh, this is an all green one. But then it's fluorite. Fluorite can come in all green. So I got, the first one was a purple green fluorite. This one is an all green fluorite. I also have another all green fluorite, but this one's a smaller one. So you're going to see the difference now. I'll also put the prices that I paid for in the description. And if they're not there and you want to know what I paid for them, the secret is to go on eBay and in the filter section, type in crystals. In the filter section, change it to auction and free postage. That way you only get sellers from China that are doing free postage, and you get them for a good price because they're on auction. Alright. Okay, so this one is for, okay, so the first one was 7.5 kilos. Oof. Alright, so this one was the 7.5 kilos. This one is the 4.5, and this one is the 2 kilos. Alright, so that's what I got. Aren't they gorgeous? Alright, so let's have a look at this one now. We'll take this one outside and have a look where the lighting is. Alright. Wow, look at that. That is so pretty. Wow. Let's put it in the... Wow, look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? So pretty. Once you put it in the sun, it just, oh, little bits of rainbow there. Yeah, pretty stone, isn't it? Okay. All right. Thanks for watching. Bye.